Hey everyone, it's Fireball Brady here, and today I'm unboxing the Microsoft HoloLens 2. It's Microsoft's flagship mixed reality headset that can transform your workspace into a world of holograms and enhance the way you work, play, and learn. And I can't wait to dive in. One of the first things you'll notice is the sleek protective case with an easy carry handle. This will give some great protection to the HoloLens while traveling or being stored. Let's unzip this to find the HoloLens itself. What a beauty. The headset is actually quite a bit lighter than you'd expect. They even moved the battery pack to the back of the headset, evenly distributing the weight so you can comfortably wear it for hours at a time. You'll also notice that this is a non-tethered holographic headset. There's no cables, no cords, and now you can move freely around any work environment without the risk of cables getting snagged or caught on things. It also has a user-friendly adjustable strap with a knob on the back to tighten it or loosen it as needed, so I can quickly get up and running. And as I mentioned before, the HoloLens 2 is a mixed reality headset. That means the lenses themselves are clear, and I can still see you and my hands. Even when I turn this on and I have holograms all around, I'll still be able to see and interact with my surroundings. And if I want to briefly check the details of things without the HoloLens's assistance, boom, I can flip up the lenses at any time without interrupting my applications. You see all these little cameras around the lenses? Since the HoloLens is built to interact with the world around you, it has far more sensors than the typical VR unit, enabling eye tracking, fully articulated hand tracking, depth and distance sensing, world anchoring, and other features that make the HoloLens 2 a beast in any work environment. So you just unboxed your own HoloLens 2 like me. How do you get started? First things first, let's unpack this box here. In addition to the HoloLens 2 itself, it comes with a microfiber cloth to keep your cameras smudge free. It comes with a USB-C charger, along with all your instruction manuals. Then all we have to do is charge it. Using the provided power supply, the HoloLens 2 can fully charge in under 65 minutes. The lights on the side will indicate the charging level, and the last one will fade in and out to indicate that it's charging. Depending on what you're using your HoloLens for, you may have a different version than I do. The HoloLens has 3 different models: Developer, Standard, and Industrial. The Industrial Edition is designed to perform in unique work environments such as clean rooms and hazardous locations. The Developer Edition comes equipped with the Unity Pro Trial, Azure credits, and more to best enable developers, though you can develop on any HoloLens edition. There is setup documentation available for all different types of deployment scenarios, including cloud-connected devices, devices that share an organized network, and deployment in a secure offline environment. Check out the links in the description below for more information. For my setup, I logged into my Microsoft account and I set up a PIN number and an eye scan. So similar to Windows Hello, it'll log me in as soon as it sees my irises. The hand gestures are incredibly intuitive. When I see a button or a keyboard, I simply interact with it like I would a touchscreen. I can tap, type, and more. If you want to jump in and start getting familiar with your new device, start with the Tips app. From there, you can try the HoloLens Playground app and designing holograms. Both of these are designed to help you master the fundamentals of mixed reality, so you can dive into your next project. Then, if you want to have some more fun before jumping into work, might I suggest Graffiti 3D. It's easy to use, and it's a fun way to introduce your coworkers to the HoloLens. And you can find these apps along with dozens of other applications on the App Store. Feel free to explore and discover the other apps that can help your HoloLens reach its full potential. To find out more about the HoloLens 2, check out the links in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.